Hey guys, Google just released its budget phone of 2019, Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL. The smaller version of Google Pixel 3a costs $399 in US, and I just bought the phone today for $138. Let me show you how I managed to get this great deal, and make sure to stay to watch the whole video with the instructions. I'll show you detailed steps how you get this great deal. Now let me show you on my computer how I exactly spend $138 for this newest and greatest Google phone, Google Pixel 3a. First, let me show you the receipt I got from Google Store today from 9:38 a.m. I received this order confirmation from Google that I spent $427.92 total after tax. So here in Ohio, there is about 7% tax. So $399 for this white version, white color. Pixel phone 3a, and it's cost $399. Tax I spent $28.92, total $427.92. That's overall came out my credit card. However, there are two things that will deduct from this overall cost of $427.92 and make it final $138. Let me show you how I did it. If we go to Google Store, then go to special offers. So this is a special offer. Get $100 to spend on Google Store with purchase of Pixel 3a. So this is only for Pixel 3a and 3a XL that Google just released about a week ago. Today is actually May the 8th, 2019. So this is actually a time-sensitive offer. So let's take a look at the term. So basically, I'm not going to read through the whole thing. I will just skip through a few things, highlight a few things that's very important for you guys. So first, you have to buy this new phone. There's two new phones, 3a and 3a XL, and you get $100 to spend on Google Store. That is just like a gift card that's worth $100, and you buy stuff from Google Store. So that's $100 discount basically, and it has to be you have to be a U.S. customer, and you have to have a Google account and a U.S. Address to get this deal. Make sure you read through the whole description of the terms. So, and also let me see, the deal will expire. Let me see where it is. See here it says the offer will be only good through May 18th of 2019. So by end of the day of May 18th, you won't, after that you won't receive the deal. So this is time sensitive deal to get this $100 discount from the $399 price tag. So this is the first thing you use to buy this. You don't have to do anything, just buy the phone. After you buy the phone, it says within 6 to 8 weeks you'll get this gift certificate to spend this $100 in Google Store. So that's the first deal you have to take, offer you have to take advantage of. The second thing, let me show you. If I just pretend I have not bought this phone, let's go buy it now. And I like the smaller phone. I personally don't like the big phone, so I bought the 3a. If you want to buy the 3a XL, by all means buy it. It's just gonna be $80 more. I'll select this 3a, and I bought this unlocked version. I believe Verizon and the other two options should be the same phone, and they just include an extra SIM card for Verizon. If you buy a SIM card, it actually costs money. So for me, I have my SIM card. I just select unlocked version. And I originally wanted to try this purple-ish because it's a new color, but I think I don't really like that color, so I bought this clearly white. And so here is the thing that you have to pay attention, that where you can get the most discount is trade in your phone. So that's included in discount. So what I do is begin trade in, pay attention to the things. I checked on some Samsung phone, like even a Note 8 is only worth $100, around $100 or so. So basically all the Android phone, no matter how new it is, it doesn't really worth much. But for the Apple phones, it does hold value. So the phone really you want to pay attention is the iPhone SE. So for this phone, see, for AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, those three carriers, it's really limited to certain storage. Sorry. For 16 gigs, see, it's not eligible for trade-in, and 32 is. So for the market, if you get another phone, let's assume you don't have an Apple, you don't have an iPhone SE, but we will get one from eBay store. So for 16 gig, it will be definitely cheaper than 32 gig. So for us to take a look at it, so you can just click the combination of carrier and storage yourself, but after I look through, the best option is Verizon and 16 gig. So for 16 gig of Verizon phone, an iPhone SE, it actually worth $259. But based on my knowledge, my research, and it's only worth this phone. You can get a used phone and meet all the trade-in criteria for Google for only about $70 to $80. So if you buy a phone, assuming you don't have this phone, if you buy a phone from eBay and for, let's assume, $70 or $80, and actually your $70-$80 worth $259 for Google. So that's an additional discount you can get. So you can check all the different combinations, as I said, but this is the best option. That's what I did. So I'm just going to show you what I did, and you guys can figure out other ways. So for a Verizon phone, that's 16 gig, the lowest capacity, lowest storage, it has a value of $259. So the phone condition, there's only two criteria you have to meet. First, it has to be turned on, so you say yes, and the screen work properly and is free of crack. So basically, there's no crack on the screen. You say yes. That's it. So basically, that's three criteria you have to meet. It's just a working phone, a Verizon basic working phone, and it can be turned on, and the screen's no crack. So that's it. Very, very easy to meet, and you get $259. Sorry. So I would go next. And just tell you how to factory reset your device. I say yes. Next. So here it is. So now I don't even have a phone. I don't even have an iPhone SE Verizon 16 gig. I don't. But what I did, I'm just gonna add to order. Pretend I did not order. So now I assuming let's go to next, and now I'm gonna add this phone to my cart. I'm gonna show you I don't need any accessories. So here in the cart you'll see I have $399. That's the phone cost, and I have a trade-in value of $259 of the phone I have, which I don't, but I'm gonna buy. So if you go to eBay, you can easily find a phone that is, you just type into the search bar, says iPhone SE Verizon 16 gig. And here, just see this one costs $98.99. I believe you can, make an offer of lower price. So very easy to get a criteria, meet the criteria. So you can see this phone is space gray. If you can get an unlocked phone. It's also meet the criteria, not only specifically Verizon, because Verizon phone is an unlocked phone. So as long as it's a Verizon A1662 16 gig or unlocked, you can meet the criteria, no problem. For this phone, it's only $88.99, and I believe some accept offers. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Let me see if I can go to my eBay and purchase history. Okay, let me quickly log into my eBay, and I'm gonna show you what I bought. So I bought this iPhone SE Verizon 16 gig for $70 plus $7.85 of shipping. So I spent $78. However, today on eBay there is in-app 10% eBay bucks. So, even though I spent $70 here, I got $7 back. So basically shipping, for me, it was kind of free eventually. So I spent $70 for this phone that Google will take it back for $259. So here's my math. I'm going to show you my math is $399 plus tax. So that was my $427.92. Then I spent another $70 for this phone on eBay that I'm gonna trade in. So I spend, now it's $430. I'm gonna run up $430 plus $70. So I spend $500 up front. However, I'm gonna get back $259 in my credit card, and that'll be deduct $259 and another $100 with the special offer. So eventually I spent $138 for this awesome new phone that I will enjoy the camera, enjoy the screen, enjoy the freedom of using Google and Google Assistant. So that's my story of getting this phone for cheap, $138. If you want to do the same thing, make sure do it as soon as possible to take advantage of the special offer from Google and also the trade-in. If you enjoyed the video, if you think this video bring you value, make sure give a like, a thumb up, and also subscribe to this channel. I will always release some great value videos for everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.